Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. My name is Paul and today we have a nice standing only low impact HIIT workout. I know it's something you guys have been asking for. You can use a set of dumbbells for this, but you definitely don't have to. We're starting about 15 seconds, guys. The preview is always gonna be on my right, on your left. The clock is gonna be on the wall there. We are starting off in a few seconds with marching in place with some arm swings. You can use dumbbells for these or you don't have to. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Just march in place, use those dumbbells if you have them and if you want a little bit more of a challenge. We're going 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. And if you want to do circles in the other direction, you switch about halfway through. Like I said, dumbbells or no dumbbells, it's completely up to you. We're just warming up a little bit. Next exercise is coming up after this short 15-second break. Right now we got 3, 2, 1, and relax for 15 seconds. We're going into step jacks after this. This entire workout, we are not jumping at all. We're staying right here. You don't need a lot of space. I got about this much space. Nice and easy. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Step out to the side and other side. This workout is easily scalable as you could be doing regular jumping jacks right now if you find this very, very easy. This is gonna be a little bit less than 10 minutes long. So if you're just beginning, starting out, on your fitness journey, I find this a great place to go. All right, 10 more seconds left. Keep working. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we got some air squats. You don't have to make them air squats. Once again, pick up a set of dumbbells if you need to pick up a set of dumbbells. I'm gonna do air squats. You guys ready to go? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat down as deep as you can go. And back up, down, up. Always stay nice and control. If you only go halfway down, great. If you go as to grass, as they say, hey, more power to you if you're that flexible, that mobile. I am somewhere in between the two. 10 seconds left, keep going. We have 12 different exercises. We are on exercise number 3. And speaking of 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now we're gonna do some skaters, so we're just gonna walk back and forth. Like I said, preview is always up there, you guys can see it now. All right, 5 seconds or so left. Relax, and let's get right back into it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and skate. And leg up on the other side. Leg up, and leg up. Up, and up. Up. There we go. Halfway down with interval. Left to right. If you're more advanced, you're jumping back and forth. Or you're doing something hybrid. You jump for a few seconds, then you walk for a few seconds. Either one works perfectly fine. 2, 1, and relax. This is a nice short workout today. 9 minutes, 10 minutes long. Not a big deal, I hope, right? All right, now we're going to knee drives, just on one side. Elbow up. And I want to go left knee, right elbow. Ready? Go. 1. Boom. 2. Fire that knee up. 3. As closest to the elbow as you can get. Keep it going. 20 seconds. Come on. Let's go. 15 seconds. Get that heart rate moving. Mine is already moving. I feel good. You feel good. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds rest. We have 5 minutes left. Nice and short today. Get the morning started off on a good note. Other side. Let's go. For me, left elbow, right knee. You do the opposite of whatever we did. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and drive that knee up. 1, 2. Full extension. 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6. Not sure I'm counting. Once again, there's a clock in front of my face. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. This is workout number 604 on this channel. Mondays and Thursdays, guys. Never missed an upload for over 5 years. If I'm consistent, you can be consistent too. All right, what do we got next? Back lunge and tricep extension. Grab your dumbbell, you're gonna step backwards, bend down a little bit, and extend, kick back on the tricep. So I'll stand this way so you can see me. Ready? Back and extend. and up. Back, extend, up. Back, extend, up. Boom. Nice little kick back. And kick. And kick. Should be feeling that tricep. Right there. Back, balance. 3, 2, 1. Last one and hold it. Now we're going to do the opposite. You're going to step forward and give me a curl. Short breaks today, short breaks. 15 seconds is not a lot of time, just enough to catch our breath. 3, 2, 1. Step forward, curl. Step back. Forward, curl. Looking good. Back, forward, curl. And back, forward, curl. And back, forward. Boom. About 10 seconds left or so. Keep it up. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Nice short workout. You found this very easy. Guess what? Do it again. It'll be a 20-minute workout. That's more than enough. 15 seconds done. And what do we got next? Side steps. So you're gonna get in that stance when your knees are nice and bent. You're just gonna shimmy a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right. Just back and forth. 3 steps or 3 steps. For me, that's all the room I got. If you got more, you go more. 1, 2, 3, and back. 1, 2, 3. Do not straighten up. Keep that tension on those quads throughout. 1, 2, 3. It's not always just back and forth mobility. We gotta move side to side too, every day, right? Exercises like this improve our mobility for everyday life. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. We're resting. After side steps, we have squat calf raises. So you're gonna squat down a little bit, and then you're gonna give me calf raises. If you're holding on to something for balance, do so. Ready? 3, 2, 1, squat down, and then give me a calf raise. And stay right here. Nice and simple. Boom. Boom. There we go. This develops the muscle underneath your calf muscle called the soleus muscle, which is very important, providing power in walking and in running, and something that's rarely trained. How often do you do calf raises with bent knees? Not very often, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and our resting, resting, resting. All right, we're gonna march with some chest presses and raises. Kind of fly press, right? But we're marching while we're moving because we're heart rate's got to be going. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Balance and stay in control. 2. Those weights want to hold, throw you off. Don't let them do that. Squeeze that chest as you step up. 1, 2. If you guys want to see longer workouts, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see. I am here for you. 2, 1, and relax. What do we got left? We have 1 exercise left. We're marching elbow to knee, very similar to what we did before. We did it on one side. Now we're doing both sides. This is the last exercise left. I want good effort on this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Boom, alternate. Alternate. There we go. Boom. Knock him out. Looking good. Feeling better. Almost done. 20 seconds left. Let's go. Elbow all the way to the knee. Keep it moving. 15 seconds. 10. Single digits. We're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me today, Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This was our short 10-minute low-impact HIIT beginner workout. Boy, that's a mouthful. Call it whatever you want. Once again, thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, Mondays, Thursdays, workout been coming out for 5 years right now. I'll see you guys through your next workout.